When nature goes wild, survival is the only plan. These are some of the craziest natural disasters ever caught on camera. You will see footage of quakes, floods, and storms. This might be one of the luckiest people you'll see today, as he somehow manages to outrun a tsunami. Most people wouldn't last a minute in this water, but this man is swimming through an ocean full of freezing ice.
Oh my god, that's amazing. It's pouring. It's so bright, you can feel the heat.
This is how crazy nature gets. This incredible footage is from Hawaii. This lava, which can reach up to 1,100 degrees Celsius, is seen flowing into the ocean, which creates incredible steam.
Feel that heat.
These are some of the luckiest tourisms, as an approaching avalanche which was heading their way went off course and passed right next to their camp.
Блин, на сковородке народ! Ай-яй-яй! Блин, мимо бы прошла. Короче, и там еще народ. Сейчас пулевая лавина до нас еще дойдет.
I don't know what that is.
This is why staying as far away from electricity during a hurricane may be the best decision you can make. This bridge from northern India is on the verge of falling apart. Heavy rains have washed down the soil, and now landslides are tearing the gorge apart. A huge mudslide hit this area, and half the community stayed to watch. This suspension bridge in Vietnam was hit by a huge flood, causing it to collapse. All that these people could do is document the dramatic scene in front of them. This devastating flood that completely demolished this road from Long Island shook the whole area. This mudslide did crazy damage to this area. It even completely covered the road, allowing no car to pass by. This city in Pisa, Italy, experienced one of the craziest tornadoes ever seen, according to witnesses. This poor bridge from China only stood for a few months until nature did its thing. Prior to this, the bridge was under inspection and cracks on the road surface were found by engineers, forcing them to shut it down immediately. Unfortunately, all people could do is sit back and watch their hard work get completely wiped away by a landslide. A powerful volcanic eruption sent ash into the air, leaving nearby residents scrambling for shelter. As this lava reaches the ocean, the extreme heat collides with the cold water, creating huge clouds of steam as the molten rock quickly cools and hardens. A huge tsunami hit the coast of Cape Town, South Africa, leaving many people worried.
Oh my God! Woo!
The car over there, our car.
Okay, it's okay.
Look at the car, it's been smashed against the side.
It's okay.
Please, can we go?
It's okay.
Please, can we
It's relax.
This huge landslide, which took place in India, caused this road to be blocked for the whole day. This unexpected flood swept through the area, forcing people to run for their lives. This powerful landslide was triggered by the flood happening below. This massive sinkhole swallowed part of the street and nearby traffic lights, highlighting the importance of maintaining urban infrastructure. This chaotic yet breathtaking scene was captured in Hawaii. This driver from Arizona found himself in the most unexpected chase, not with the cops, but with Mother Nature herself.
It's actually moving toward me. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Come on. It's coming toward me. The heck? Oh snap. It's literally following me. That's where I was parked at. Wow. Coming this way.
An unexpected earthquake happened while these guys were in the office. This huge tornado formed right in front of their eyes. While this man's partner was filming him preparing to paraglide, a huge gust of wind suddenly lifted him off his feet and pushed him into the sky. Fortunately, he wasn't hurt and was able to regain control.
Is he okay?
This massive sinkhole swallowed a parked car as the ground suddenly collapsed.
From the Prince William County.
Oh my god! Mookie! Oh my god! Oh!
This car attempted to climb a frozen ramp, but the ice made it a complete disaster.
Ojo, que sube. No, 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 no. Ojo, ojo. Ojo. Ya se ha dado.
This massive landslide struck at the most unexpected time. What started as a normal rainy day quickly turned disastrous as Mother Nature unleashed her power. This huge landslide almost wiped out this whole neighborhood.
¿Has grabado, Marina?
A huge stream of water suddenly rushed down this field, flowing like a river right beside the surrounding houses. Luckily, none of the homes were affected. These guys saw one of the biggest landslides their city has ever had in a while.
It is moving. It's going to go. It's going. It's going. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh! Jeez!
This is how snowmelt water rushes down what appears to be an old frozen stream. And unbelievably, a beaver is riding one of the floating icebergs.
As we watched the spectacle unfold, to our amazement, there was a beaver riding one of the icebergs. It was just surfing right on the front of the wave, and apparently doing just fine as it went around the corner and out of view.
Surfing the flow. Yeah.
For fishermen, these events can be really dangerous. More than one person has unfortunately lost their lives due to one of these ice dam breaks on the Roaring Fork River. Be careful out there.
This canary cliff fell freely, creating a nature scene both beautiful and emotional. This clip vividly demonstrates the sheer, unstoppable force of ice flows as it swept away everything in its path, including entire trees. Watch the sky go dark as the eclipse happens while the crowd cheers and celebrates this amazing moment together. The sea can stay calm for years, but one day it's bound to show everyone its true colors. Storm Harry is hitting the shores of Malta with its full force. They were in the office when an unexpected tsunami struck.
Tsunami, 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 tsunami. いっぱいいっぱい津波。いっぱい冠水するよ。
These people in India captured a landslide that blocked the road for a whole day. The wind was so strong it sent the waterfall flowing upward, defying gravity and looking like it's breaking the laws of physics. A massive landslide struck what appears to be a construction site right next to the road. Huge ice slabs tumble from the roof after a massive snowstorm. Small pieces fall first, then one giant slab comes crashing down. This is crazy footage capturing a massive iceberg splitting into two pieces. This footage is incredible, showing just how beautiful and dangerous ice can be. Watch this crazy landslide tumble down the mountain, sending shockwaves through everything in its path. Cars struggle to grip the icy road, sliding uncontrollably and crashing into each other in a massive pileup. Another striking example of the sheer unstoppable power of ice flows. Which of these clips shocked you the most? Comment your answers down in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe.